The create connection function is used to connect Python with a MySQL. Madam, I started with a docu. Docu means document string. It's the first line of comment written inside a function. Usually, it's a multi-line comment. It describes the function. The connect function, the built-in function connect, is used to connect Python with a MySQL. It is present in the module mysql.connector. So this module is imported at the beginning. The connect function takes three arguments. The first one is host and the value is localhost. Host means the computer where database exists, and localhost means it exists in my computer. While installing the software MySQL, I went with the default user root, and while installing the software MySQL, I gave the password Nava. Connect function returns an answer. The connection object is returned as answer. CON contains the connection object. To create the context area, I called the cursor function. It's a function of the connection object, so it should be called as connection object dot cursor. Cursor function returns an answer. The cursor object is returned as answer. CUR is the cursor object. Context area means the area in RAM where the rows of an SQL statement are saved. When you execute an SQL statement, rows are returned as answer, and in order to save this row in the computer's memory, some area of memory should be set apart. Context area refers to that memory area. The SQL statement show databases displays the names of all the databases. The SQL statement is executed here. Fetch all retrieves all the rows from the context area. R is a list of tuple, and here each tuple contains the name of the database. If the database class 12 exists in R, pass, nothing to do. Pass means empty statement. Otherwise, using the SQL command create database, we can create the database class 12. The SQL statement is executed here. The SQL statement select database function symbol returns the name of the current database or present database. That SQL statement is executed here. Fetch all retrieves all the rows from the context area. R is a list of tuples. Here tuple contains the name of the current database or present database. If the name of the current database is class 12, then pass, nothing to do. Otherwise, using the SQL statement use class 12, you should move to the database class 12, or technically speaking, you should open the database class 12. That statement is executed here. Finally, the connection object and the cursor object, they are returned as answers.